Hey guys, it's Shannon. This is kind of my everyday makeup look. I usually only wear mascara and concealer most days, so I am definitely going to be out of my comfort zone today. So I found this picture of Alexa Demie, who's from Euphoria. I think after watching the show, definitely not something I would typically ever do, but I watched the show Euphoria and their makeup on there was always so fun to look at and definitely inspiring. So I found this picture of her and I'm going to try to recreate it. I was just kind of drawn to it because I love pink and I think it's very kind of fun and playful. I usually only wear neutral colors, so I thought I would be a little crazy. So here we go. So this is what we ended up with. Hopefully Alexa Demie never sees this. I definitely disappointed her, but it was definitely challenging, something way out of my comfort zone. It was definitely fun to get to kind of do something out of the ordinary, and I think although I probably would not recreate this look, definitely in the future I will, play with makeup a little bit more and try some new things because it's fun. And I really enjoyed this.